In writing the definition of terms, okay, number one is the important terms used in the study must be defined clearly. Second, the terms that are defined must be arranged alphabetically. Therefore, in writing your definition of terms, it is arranged in alphabetical order. Don't forget that. Next, before defining the enumerated or listed terms, there must be opening sentence or an introductory paragraph. Example, in your manuscript definition of terms, you are going to include the introductory paragraph. Example, the following are the terms that the researcher needs to understand. Number one is the academic performance. Number two is the academic achievement. So that's an example of how will you write the definition of terms. Now, so based on our activity, what is the difference between the conceptual definition and the operational definition? Remember, in your task, you identified the meaning of the definition of the words or terms through the RRL. And the other is the function. Okay, which of these is conceptual definition at alin dyan po yung operational definition? Sige, alin po yung, unahin natin yung conceptual definition. Alin po yung conceptual definition? Yung may RRL o yung walang RRL? RRL. Correct. Very good. Yung operational definition, yun po yung function. Naintindihan? We can say that the conceptual definition of terms, it is a term defined using books or journals. Yung mga nakita nyo mga RRL na yan, yan ay nakita nyo sa mga journals. No? Or internet. Google Scholar. Conceptual definition ang tawag doon. Okay, operational definition of terms naman, kapag ang term ay na-base doon sa context ng study and how the word or concept is used in the study. Example. Okay, ito yung mga example that the terms that are defined in conceptually and operationally. Eating disorders. Okay, in conceptually definition, this is a group of behaviors fueled by unresolved emotional conflicts resulting in altered food consumption according to Grodner of 2005. So that is the conceptual definition. While on the other hand, in the operational definition, it, as used in the study, it pertains to the kind of food, frequency of eating, and amount of intake or consumption. Did you get it? The difference between the conceptual and the operational. Okay, another definition is the Primigvada. Okay, how will you define it into the conceptual definition? According to Piliteri of 2004, okay, this is a woman in her first pregnancy. Pag conceptual definition, pagka operational definition naman, okay, it pertains to a mother who has given birth at the Bataan General Hospital in the first quarter of 2009. So that's on how you to write the conceptual and operational definition of terms. Okay, sa mga napapansin ko na nagpapacheck sa akin ng definition of terms, ang ginagawa nila, yung conceptual definition nila may RRL, tapos, pag-check ko doon sa operational definition, may RRL pa rin, which is wrong. Hindi po ganun ang paglalagay ng definition of terms. So, kaya sa manuscript nyo, once na chinek ko yan, dapat meron kayong conceptual definition and operational definition, which is yan. Yan pong activity na ginawa ninyo.